Every morning I wake up at 6:30. First thing is gratitude for another day and drinking water. Today's going to be a great day. While getting ready, I listen to personal development to jumpstart my mindset in the right direction so that I can mentally prepare for my day. After getting ready, I head downstairs to start breakfast. It's simple. I mix protein with oatmeal and then yogurt, and then I just blend it up. As I drink my breakfast, I read scriptures and do personal development. And once the kids have eaten breakfast, it's time to actually take them to school. After dropping them off, I head out to my office just down the street from my house. Right when I get there, I hop straight on 3 to 4 consecutive Go Live webinars. Then a few times a week, I take Jamie out for a lunch date to get intimate time together. After the date, I head back to the office to finish afternoon work, and then head over to the gym for a quick, intense 15-minute workout. That's right, 15 minutes, 5 times per week. Now, after the workout, it's time to eat dinner. Though we can't always be together, we certainly do our best. A few times per week, I take the kids out for dates and have for many years. A few nights per week, they have practice as well. Intermingled with dates and practices, run calls as well as try to spend time as a family. Before putting the kids to bed, we try to read scriptures together and pray as a family. As you can imagine, with 6 kids, there's not a lot of energy left, but we still manage to put each other as a priority to spend quality time together. The secret to your future is hidden in your daily routine. Show me your routine, I'll show you your future.